There are so many people out there making videos these days that I think occasionally we get a little caught up about what everybody else is doing. This video is about one of my top 10 tips for video content creating, and that's to be your authentic self. Write your content about what you already know, what you're already passionate about. Share your experiences and don't get caught up judging yourself about your own expertise. We all have information that we can share, and there's a reason that you're passionate about what you're speaking about. Use your own unique voice. Be you, be authentic. People can tell when you're not being yourself, so go ahead and show them your personality and allow people to be interested in you. That's what's going to help you shine, and that's what's going to make you different from everybody else. Be comfortable. Know your material ahead of time. Wear something that you're comfortable in, and do your best not to wear small stripes or tight patterns, because if you move on camera, they can go a little weird. Don't be hard on yourself. We all have to start somewhere. Smile with your eyes, take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and then begin speaking. If you make a mistake, take a deep breath, pause, don't stop the camera, compose yourself, and then move forward again. We all have to do a little bit of retake every once in a while. I've been working on this video for probably 5 minutes already, just for this short little snippet. So don't be afraid to take a moment and start over and gain your composure before you move forward again. You can always choose your best clip during editing. Feel free to go through and take several takes of the same thing if you feel like you can get a better version of it. I hope these tips help you out with your video creation process. Please try and be easy on yourself and have fun with it. This is the best part of making videos, is that it's all under your control. So thank you so much for watching, and please let me know in the comments what tips and techniques you would like to see next for video creation. Thanks so much. I'm LaCore, and I'll see you in the next one.